So as the national capital reels under a massive COVID surge, farmers continue to block Delhi's borders. Sources in Delhi police say that an oxygen truck that was en route the Jaipur Golden Hospital in the national capital was stuck at the Singhu border and had to be escorted by the police. Farmer leaders, especially the BKU, Bharatiya Kisan Union's Ugraha faction, has announced that they will intensify their agitation on Delhi's borders and they will march to Delhi in thousands, which means many more farmers will now sit at Delhi's borders amidst this COVID surge.
Two stark images of the national capital. A desperate scramble for medical attention. Delhi running out of hospital beds, medicines and even oxygen. And on the other hand, protesting farmers have threatened to intensify their protests against the farm laws.
लगभग 2000 ਵਹੀਕਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਾਫਲਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ 15000 ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਮਜ਼ਦੂਰ ਔਰਤਾਂ ਨੌਜਵਾਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਕਾਫਲਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਉਸ ਪ੍ਰਚਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਦ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਭੁਲੇਖੇ ਕੱਢ ਦੂਗਾ.
Delhi police had to intervene and escort a truck number HR66B 9517 carrying medical oxygen from the Singhu border. As Delhi hospitals wait with the bated breath for medical oxygen supply, the truck scheduled for the Jaipur Golden Hospital remained stranded at the border and had to be escorted by the police. Hospitals and medical oxygen suppliers have been seeking a green corridor for the movement of oxygen trucks amidst the allegations of being stuck at the borders and having to take a long detour to avoid the protesting farmers in Delhi borders. The farmers' groups have, however, denied they stopped a single truck carrying either medical supplies or oxygen, claiming this was a government propaganda to defame their agitation.
देखो हमारा ये कहना है वे पूर्ण रूप से जो एलिगेशन वे लगा रहे हैं पूरा गलत एलिगेशन लगा रहे हैं. यहाँ पे दोनों हाईवे जो गाजीपुर बॉर्डर है ये हाईवे खुले हुए हैं और ये हाईवे यहाँ पे ये 24 नंबर हैं वो 9 नंबर हाईवे हैं और ये पूरी उत्तराखंड उत्तर प्रदेश की लाइफ लाइन है. ये खुली हुई है, यहाँ से पूरी सप्लाई हो रही है.
Farmers, however, insist their agitation will continue and they will not move from Delhi's borders. Haryana Health Minister Anil Vij says the Haryana government will vaccinate the farmers to prevent the spread of COVID.
देखिए हमने फैसला कर दिया कि हम सारों को कोरोना टेस्ट भी करेंगे और हम उनको वैक्सीनेशन भी लगाएंगे. स्वास्थ्य विभाग की टीमें हमने तैयार कर दी हैं. मेडिसिन सफिशिएंट जितनी संख्या में वहां पर किसान हैं उनके लिए हमने उसका प्रबंध कर दिया.
The question, however, remains as the pandemic spreads like wildfire and thousands wait for medical attention, will the farmers' agitation only worsen an already deteriorating situation? Bureau Report, India Today.
The COVID situation, not just in the national capital, but across the country is extremely grim. There is a pandemic. Lakhs are getting infected. Thousands, unfortunately, are losing their lives. Delhi is gasping for oxygen and doctors say, please maintain distance to break the chain. And here we have farmers' bodies who are threatening to bring thousands of people to Delhi's borders. Is this justified? Joining me on India First is Syed Zafar Islam, Member of Parliament of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Savit Malik is the National President of the Bharatiya Kisan Union. Vikram Singh is former DGP of the Uttar Pradesh Police and Jasmine Shah is Vice Chairperson of Dialogue and Development Commission of the Government of Delhi. Savit Malik, मेरा पहला सवाल आप ही से है. इस समय इतना बड़ा प्रकोप है कोविड का और इसके बीच किसान ये कह रहे हैं कि हजारों की संख्या में 15,000 किसान दिल्ली के बॉर्डर पर आएंगे, बच्चे, बूढ़े, महिलाएं सब आएंगे. क्या उनके जीवन की और औरों के जीवन की कोई अहमियत नहीं है? केवल राजनीति, केवल यही राजनीति चलेगी सवित मलिक?
गौरव जी, मैं आपको बता दूं, किसान देश को लेकर हमेशा चिंतित रहा है और आज भी चिंतित है, लेकिन ये सरकार किसान के ऊपर ही क्यों बात रखती है? वो बंगाल में रैलियां कर रहे हैं, वहां लाखों लोग आ रहे हैं, दिन में रैली हो रही है 2 लाख की, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, रात को 2 गज की दूरी चाहिए। हमारी सरकार ने पिछले 1 साल में क्या किया है? जब पहले से पता था कि कोरोना आएगा, इन्होंने तमाम लंबी चौड़ी घोषणा की। इन्होंने कहा था कि 22,000 जंबो हॉस्पिटल बनाएंगे जो 10,000 बेड के होंगे। आज कहाँ है वो?
नहीं, तो किसानों का एजिटेशन जंबो अस्पताल के लिए है इस समय। नहीं, मैं ये समझना चाहता हूं कि किसान ये कह रहे हैं कि मेरी एक आंख फूट जाए ताकि पड़ोसी की तो दोनों फूटे। ये क्या मानसिकता है किसानों की?
हम ये कहना चाहते हैं, ये बिल हमको कोरोना में ही मिला था और हमारा आंदोलन आज शुरू नहीं हुआ है, ये लगातार आंदोलन उसी दिन से चल रहा है। और ये ऊपर वाले का शुक्र मनाइए कि किसानों लोगों को ये अभी तक वहां पर 350 प्लस शहीद हो चुके हैं, किसी की भी कोरोना से मृत्यु नहीं हुई है।
कितनों का पोस्टमार्टम हुआ है कैसे पता चलेगा? लेकिन सैयद जफर इस्लाम, farmers say the government is trying to delegitimize a people's movement. Farmers are also saying they never stopped the supply of oxygen trucks to Delhi. The trucks are being forced to take a detour because police have put barricades and nails on the road. You remove the nails and farmers say trucks can come in easily into Delhi. That's point one. And point two, if the BJP rallies or political rallies can happen in Bengal, why can't farmers sit?
Well, let me respond to that. First of all, it is absolutely incorrect because if we are telling you something, then if for some reason he doesn't want to believe the farmer leader and Savit Malik, who is sitting here making this kind of allegation against the government, but he should listen to the company which supplies oxygen is Inox. What did they say? They said it is being disrupted because of the farmers' protest. They have occupied the road.
आपके पास ऑक्सीजन है ही नहीं, आपने पूरी ऑक्सीजन विदेश में भेज दी है। 50 लाख
एक एक करके सवित मलिक जी, जब आप बोल रहे थे किसी और ने नहीं बोला, अब उनको बोलने दीजिए, मैं फिर आपके पास आऊंगा।
आप मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगा। आप आइनॉक्स के बारे में सुना है, जिसको ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई करते हैं? उन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने कहा सारा डिसरप्शन जो है आप लोग कर रहे हैं, आपकी जो वहां पर लोग बैठे हैं उसके वजह से जो है मूवमेंट नहीं हो पा रहा है, उसके वजह से डिलेज हो रहा है। आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है? रोड पर आप नहीं, एक मिनट सुन लीजिए ना, उसका जवाब दे दीजिएगा, आपको समझ में आएगा पूरी बात तो जवाब दीजिएगा। हम तो अब एयरफोर्स को इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, एयरफोर्स से इसको इस्तेमाल करके हम ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई करेंगे, लेकिन आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज ए सिटीजन, देश के नागरिक होने के नाते यही है कि आप रास्ता रोक के रखिए। कितने बीमार हॉस्पिटल में बैठे हैं। आपका ठीक है, आपका प्रोटेस्ट है, प्रोटेस्ट कोई कोने में जाके कर लीजिए, कोई और जगह दिया जा रहा है वहां कर लीजिए। रोड पे बैठने की क्या जरूरत है जहां से गाड़ियां मूवमेंट होती हैं? मैं तो आपसे लोग तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, भाई आप किसी एक कोने में जाके बैठ जाइए, आपका प्रोटेस्ट है, एक मैदान में जाके बैठ जाइए।
Is it now time for perhaps the government or the people or the state government for someone to say enough is enough? You cannot play around with lives of people. Mr. Vikram Singh, the Delhi police say they had to escort an oxygen tanker from the Singhu border. Is this, in your view, sir, an appropriate time for an agitation, and now threaten that will intensify the agitation by bringing another 15,000 people to Delhi?
Mr. Gaurav Sawant, in the backdrop of the pandemic, this agitation and all such agitations are incongruous and irrelevant. You are obstructing the fundamental right to life, and you are also vitiating the atmosphere, obstructing the right of passage of essential medicines and supplies of oxygen. That, of course, is covered by NSA subsection 2 of its little surprise. It is a criminal act to strangulate those who are in the ICU and choke them and deprive them of oxygen. It's a criminal act, and I do hope that the government takes it very seriously. All agitations in the democratic framework are welcome. I also am from the Kisan and the farmers' pedigree. But I take a strong exception to the fact that this is not the occasion to agitation. Okay. Agitations come and agitations go, but the pandemic has to be dealt with on the topmost priority. I expected the farmers to resolutely stand behind a suffering nation, a suffering humanity. This is not a farmer-like attitude at all. Gaurav.
Mr. Jasmine Shah, there is a time for politics But sir, there is a time that we need to put health first and India first. In your appreciation, sir, is this the time for farmers to intensify their agitation at Delhi's borders, or is this the time for them to head home?
Gaurav, it is understandable that the BJP government, wants to delegitimize the farmer protest in this country from day one, and they're trying to do that every single day since then. But it is absolutely amusing that as an anchor and as a channel, India Today is also peddling this completely manufactured narrative that oxygen tanks are not reaching.
I'm sorry, India Today is not manufacturing that. Hold on, Jasmine Shah.
Let me finish.
I'm sorry, sir, you must get your facts right. That's exactly the point I raised with Syed Zafar Islam.
Gaurav, you have to listen to me.
I am sorry,
Please
you cannot peddle half-truths and absolute lies. I am sorry, Jasmine Shah.
You're not allowed me to speak.
No, but I will not allow you to speak lies.
There is a reason why oxygen
that's exactly what I said. It is being said that the BJP is trying to delegitimize the movement by peddling that lies. India Today is not doing it. So please get your facts right, Jasmine Shah. Please get your facts right.
Your channel has actually reported the absolute truth as to what has happened and why there is a shortage of oxygen. Do you know how many hospitals today are there?
So then, I am sorry, you've got your premise absolutely wrong, Jasmine Shah.
So why?
It's completely uncalled for. My first question to BJP was, you are trying to delegitimize a farmers' movement by floating this bogey. You either were not paying attention or you are trying to peddle some agenda against this thing. That is not the point I raised.
So, okay, fine. If you not raise that point, great. So then let me just answer to BJP and put the facts in front of the nation. Because it's very important to know that today we are going through a crisis in the national capital. All the top hospitals, the private hospitals are saying that they only have a 2-hour window of oxygen. And why? They have issued a press statement, Gaurav. They have said that the shortage is not because the tankers are not reaching on time. The shortage is because the tankers are not even leaving the production facility. And why? Because the Haryana government has decided that oxygen, medical oxygen, which is a nationally regulated commodity, has now become a fiefdom of Haryana, and we will decide through our IAS officers whether to send trucks out or not.
Absolutely.
The same thing happened in
That's a point you are well entitled to raise, but I'm very disappointed with you, Jasmine Shah, that you tried to say that India Today is peddling that line. India Today
Absolutely.
on the fact...
Why are you saying that the farmers' protests are the reason behind oxygen not reaching?
I am sorry, I did not say that. You were not paying attention. You need to focus more then, Mr. Shah. You need to focus more. That's exactly not what I said. But Syed Zafar Islam,
oxygen crisis.
Syed Zafar Islam, you must... No, Jasmine Shah, you very conveniently ducked the issue I asked you. Is this the time for farmers to protest? What is the view of the Delhi government and the Aam Aadmi Party on this?
Our view is very clear. No, I'll answer that.
I wish you had answered that because that was my question to you, sir.
I will answer every single question, and BJP also better answer every single question. Absolutely, the farmer protest should not have been elongated for this long. It was the duty of the center to sit with the farmers, find an amicable resolution. But how can you do that under a situation where every day you're calling farmers terrorists, where every day you're delegitimizing कि ये तो farmers ही नहीं है, ये तो आतंकवादी है. You heard the members of parliament talking within the halls of the parliament that ये तो farmers ही नहीं, ये तो आतंकवादी है, नक्सलवादी है. So do you think who's behind this entire long and completely scary situation where, so
Syed
many
Zafar
farmers
Islam,
have died?
Please respond. Please respond.
Let me respond.
Remove the nails. The trucks can come straight. That's point one. Point two, the point that the Aam Aadmi Party representative raises is that you are not letting trucks leave the factories or the oxygen facilities in Haryana and blaming the farmers instead.
Private hospitals have said that. Please correct. Please correct. It's the private hospitals.
Okay.
They have
You've had to say, Mr. Shah. Let him respond now.
Correct. In fact, it is the AAP government and the representative, including Chief Minister, they're all peddling lies. They are manufacturing this kind of lies and spreading it. Fact that the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi repeatedly on your channel and several other channels have said, not once, many times, that he has enough oxygen available with them. He has enough beds available with them. I fought with many of his colleagues. And everybody was saying that everything is available as the Chief Minister has stated. Okay. But nothing was available. They took a recourse to their
You are taking this to the oxygen cylinder and to oxygen supply. Both of you. Sir, the bigger issue is farmers are threatening that another 15,000 will come and sit on Delhi's borders. Are we looking at a health catastrophe in the national capital and around it? Because Mr. Vikram Singh, when farmers say remove the nails and let the trucks go, can these farmers unions, at least some of them, can they be taken at face value when they say remove the nails and let trucks go?
Mr. Gaurav Sawant, once bitten, twice shy. What happened on the 26th of January cannot be erased from public memory, or my memory at least. They are permanent in everybody's memory files. And therefore, I would say that they cannot be taken on face value. My request to Mr. Zafar Islam would be that I or anybody else can have genuine and imaginary grievances, but they cannot be so significant as to obstruct public life and also the life and the prospects of those in the ICU. Please use an iron fist, also covered by a well-fed glove, to ensure that the right of passage of oxygen and essential supplies inside Zafar Islam Sahab, the nation is looking upon you with absolutely bated eyes to see that essential supplies are not obstructed, because nobody on the planet has a right to obstruct them.
Oh, absolutely. Savit Malik ji, ये जो कहा जा रहा है कि 15,000 और किसान आएंगे, क्या 15,000 और किसानों को इस समय राजधानी दिल्ली पर आना चाहिए जब इतना बड़ा प्रकोप पहले ही है? डॉक्टर कह रहे हैं कि दूरी बनाए रखिए, डॉक्टर कह रहे हैं कि मत आइए, अभी एक दूसरे से मत मिलिए। तो ये किस तरह की जिद है किसानों की? अगर पॉलिटिकल रैलीज हो रही है और वो गलत है, तो ये सही कैसे है?
गौरव सावंत जी, हमारा आंदोलन बहुत पहले से चल रहा है और हमको कोरोना में क्या मिला था? कोरोना में हमको ये 3 बिल मिले थे और सरकार जो हमारे ऊपर बार बार गलत आरोप लगाती है, मैं इंडिया टुडे के माध्यम से जानना चाहता हूं, हमारे देश में 7,128 टन गैस का मतलब उत्पादन होता है और खपत है 3,842 टन। तो ये बाकी की गैस कहां जा रही है?
आप भी गैस के मुद्दे पर आ गए। क्या किसानों को आना चाहिए? क्या किसान अपने जीवन के साथ, और जो किसान लीडर है अपने जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं, औरों के जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं? सैयद जफर इस्लाम आपको उत्तर देना चाहते हैं सर, क्विकली।
आंदोलन में आते जाते रहते हैं।
सैयद जफर इस्लाम उत्तर दे रहे हैं आपको।
कुछ लोग ये उसी इसका हिस्सा है।
सवित जी, हम तो ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई के आप रास्ता रोक के रखिए, हम हेलीकॉप्टर का इस्तेमाल करके हम ट्रेन का एक मिनट सुन लीजिए।
आप लोगों ने गड्ढे खुदवाए हैं, आप लोगों ने पानी की बौछार लगवाई है, आप लोगों ने बैरिकेड लगवाए हैं, आप लोगों ने कीले गड़वाई है। अरे आप किसान को बदनाम कर रहे हो। आप अपने देखिए,
जो 15,000 और किसान आ रहे हैं, ये कितना सही है, ये एक प्रश्न है और इसका उत्तर उन किसानों को देना है, उनके लीडरों को देना है और दिल्ली की जनता और दिल्ली के लोगों को देना है। लेकिन इसका असल उत्तर तो चाहे वो दिल्ली सरकार है या केंद्र सरकार है, उन्हें उत्तर देना है कि कितना खिलवाड़ होगा लोगों की जिंदगी के साथ और स्वास्थ्य के साथ।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.